Gde ste, dragi prijatelji? Ajmo još jednom da krenemo sa pesmom. Kaže ovako: fijaker stari ulicama luta i sobom nosi zaljubljeni par. Celu noć sneg polako pada, a dvoje mladih greje srca žar. Cele noći sneg polako pada, a dvoje mladih greje srca žar. Pa čoveče, ja se trenutno nalazim u Somboru, u ovom divnom gradu i uz zvukove Zvonka Bogdana ceo dan putujemo i otkrijemo ovaj grad. Trenutno na fijakeru starom, vidimo tamo konje, ne ovo konje nego one. One konje tamo, jake, lepe, idemo ulicama Sombora. Dobro što se ne nalazimo u Beogradu, jer da smo u Beogradu već bi bili zvukovi automobila, ali ovdje je milina, Somborci su dobar narod, poštuju nas. And with me today now, moram da pređem sad na engleski, zato što je sa mnom jedan bitan gost, a very important guest, Mr. Rob Davidson.
Hi, hello everybody.
A note friend from Scotland or London, half, who is visiting Sombor for the first time, right, Rob?
How can I possibly follow Tiago singing? Ya Imam Talenat. I'm here in a lovely place called Sombor. If you don't know it, maybe you do, but it's in the north of Serbia, near the frontier with Croatia and with Hungary. It's my first time here. I've had a wonderful day. It really is a hidden gem in Serbia's tourism. You really should try to come here. Beautiful architecture, nature. We've been for a canal trip on a boat. Really amazing. The weather has been great. It's almost 40 degrees, which for me is very, very hot, but nevertheless, we've had an amazing lunch. We've had a wonderful time. It really is an amazing secret place, which should not be a secret.
Yeah, you know, for those of you who don't know, Rob is a person who comes from London. He lives in London, but he's been to Serbia countless times, and he's traveled around Serbia almost more than me. I'm kidding, but he did travel a lot.
I'm Serbia's ambassador.
Yeah.
Unpaid ambassador.
Yeah, and but it's his first time. Rob, you've been all around Serbia. What is it that you saw in Sombor today that you thought is really special, that you think that's why people should really come here?
Okay, here's what I saw in Sombor today. Potential, a lot of potential. This place is too nice, too amazing to be kept a secret from everybody else. Sombor people are lovely, but this town should be busy with lots of tourists. There's a lot to see, a lot to do, lots of activities like cycling, swimming, fishing, bird watching. There's something here for everybody, and really it should be checked out by anyone interested in a little adventure and trying somewhere new. Totally.
Thank you, Rob, very much.
My pleasure.
Evo ruka. All right, guys. Čuli ste čoveka, čovek došao iz Londona, eto, čuli ste kako priča o Somboru, stvarno fantastičan grad, meni je drugi put ovdje i stvarno hoću češće da dođem. A mi se družimo i vidimo na sljedećem videu. Ćao!